Okay, so yeah, now today we have a topic. We have to talk about communication and what we do actually about it. You can also talk about your regarding English language because basically we are improving that. Okay, so in terms of that, you can talk. So anyone can start. Maybe Jalaluddin, you want?
Yes,
Fran is
yes.
also
Why not?
coming.
Of course, of course. Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
So
Okay.
this is our practice session, and you can see that how we practice English, and this is
Mm-hmm.
pragmatic way, not theoretical. It's a natural way to practice English. So if anyone want to join with us, then you can join. You can also practice. If you don't have the proper environment to practice English, so this is the best way. So yeah, today now I'm going to talking about communication and how can we improve communication skills. So there are lots of ways, there are lots of process and method, different method. So we can improve our communication skills. So communication means, how we collaborate with people, with other people, how we interact with people, like through uh, uh, audio, through mobile phone. So now it's a digital era. So we like to share our opinion or thought, and so through mobile phone actually. And suppose you are a businessman, then you have to deal with some other people's regarding your business purpose. So then that time you can explain everything, that what should you do. And you can also promote your product if you are a businessman. So then how is the authentic way to promote our product? So it's actually communication. And communication means, suppose you are explaining something, and who are listening you, so they are understanding everything very easily and effortlessly. So and you are very ambiguously unambiguously speak, telling the all the things very explicitly. It's very clear. There is no objection that yeah, somebody have some objection that I'm not understanding your explanation. So it's not that's not a good communication. Everyone should understand, and you have to convince people that whatever you are saying. So it's called communication. It's as far as my concern. So and how can we learn, how can we improve our communication skills? So this is the way we are improving our communication skills. It's video conferencing, as we are every day we selecting a new topic, and we are talking about and this topic, and we are put forwarding our opinion, our thought. So this is the way to improve our communication skills. And there are a lot of process and methodology, so we can use also. And we can learn from those process. We have to utilize our plan. So we have to utilize our plan in a positive way. So I think we are here to improve our communication skills, like reading and listening. So these are like a part of, and these are inevitable. You can't ignore these things. So you have to maintain those things, and you should not step back. You should not step back from there is some for process like writing, reading, listening, and speaking. So these things are uh, inevitable. So we have to do it. So yeah,
Okay.
I think yeah, it's from my side. Yeah. So
Yeah, okay. You have kept a great point. Okay, Vicky, you want to say something about communication? Vicky, I think Vicky can't listen us. Yeah, okay, you can listen us. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Just keep your point. Just keep your point. What do you want to say about communication? Yeah.
Yeah, we all know that there are so many languages. So
Mm-hmm.
first, all we have to do is to develop an interest uh, towards the language which we want to learn. Whether it's Hindi or English, Telugu, Tamil, no matter. So we all know we all learn our language by listening and observing is the main part of learning. And we are also using this app, and we are also trying to communicate with everyone, and by having conversation we are definitely learning something new. And most of important thing is speaking is the best way to be fluent in English. The more
Mm-hmm.
we will speak, the more we will learn. And we should try to extend our um, limit of having conversation whatever we are talking, so that we can have many things to discuss on that. And like if when we are when we were in we were a kid, no one makes us understand that how to speak. But by observing and listening, we also speak after some days.
Yeah.
So all we have to do is to speak speak first, whatever we are listening and observing. And writing and reading is also part of learning, whether it's no matter which language we are learning. So, and we all have to learn only, no matter from where we are getting the things, but whatever we want to learn. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay. That's great. So Mukul, are you there? Okay, then Nabil, I think you
Hmm.
can carry on. You.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So today we are talking about communication skills. So if I talk about communication skills, so communication is not a short topic. It's a very wide term, because we are talking, so it's called communication. But here we talk about communicating language, especially for English. We are learning language, English. So we can distribute language learning in two parts, widely in two parts. First one is educative based and second one is mentality based. So if I talk about educationally based, so what we should, if we are practicing of learning English, firstly we have to work on the four core skills. Everyone know about it, I think, which one is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So both, everyone is correlative of each other. Especially if I talk about listening and speaking, so you can say listening is input and speaking is output. Same like reading is input and writing is output. But we have to work in four skills. If we listen a lot, then definitely our speaking improve, because we listen means we get all the things, and when we speak we spit it out, we spit it out. Same like reading,
Yeah, yeah,
when we read something, so we get the knowledge in our mind. But when we write, so we use input method, we write it down, so we can write it and we can use input method. So we should work in all the four skills. Second one is grammar. It's a very controversial topic if I talk about grammar, because I just want to tell you about my experience. What is the grammar role play on English speaking, especially if you live in India? So, what is the role of grammar? So, it's completely up to you. If you are working on your writing skill, then definitely you should go for grammar. You should know all the rules of grammar. But if you talk about speaking skills, so there is no necessary to use very heavy grammar. If you know basic grammar, it is educate. It is acceptable, because no one can focus on your grammar. Everyone who also focus on your speech pattern, means what you want to say, what you want to deliver. No one focus on your grammar. But if you want to write something, like if you write some formal letters and application or email, so there definitely you should use good grammar. Okay, so now I talk about another way, like it's all about educational way, it's all about our ability way. But now second thing, which is more important, which is psychological way of learning language. Because we have to focus on only not on grammar, reading, writing, listening and speaking. We have to focus on our mind setting. Mind setting is also a very big role play while learning of anything. If you have a positive mindset, if you have a, if you feel motivated every time, so you will achieve your goal easily and short time. Okay, but if you have not clear minded, so you feel lots of difficulty in your whole journey. So I read lots of books or lots of articles where I found some quotes regarding to learning, that ability is not a problem, problem is mentality. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Ability is not a problem, problem is mentality. Because what is the biggest problem, especially we live in India, we face that we don't want to make mistake. We think if we make mistake, people laugh at him, and that is the thing, that is the thing we can't express ourselves, because without speaking you can't be perfect. And the second thing, we are not trying to be a perfect person, because no one are perfect here. Even though native speakers also made some mistake, even though we speak Hindi, our native language is Hindi, but we are not speak correctly Hindi. We are not using all the Hindi words in our daily conversation. So we just think about, we see English as a language, just a language. And what is the meaning of language? The meaning of the language is how to convey your thought and how to understand your another person. If you understand that what another person wanna say, and if you easily convey your thought, that's called a language. So we have to work on our mental toughness. If we are mentally strong, we can learn anything. And one thing we have to accept, that in initial time we have to make mistake, it's acceptable, but we have to reduce our mistake and improve our confidence. That is the thing. And the last,
Okay.
I want to share that people can laugh at your English, not you. Your English might be wrong, not you. So you always have to be positive, man. Maybe I speak wrong English, it's not I mean that my character is not good, or I am not a good kind of personality. My English is a problem, okay, because I am not a native speaker. You always keep in mind, because I live in India. So we have to congratulate ourselves, because we are easily communicating Hindi, even English. But if you talk about USA guy who speak only in English, he can't speak in Hindi. So we are more knowledgeable, we have a more language skills than if you compare to another person who lives in USA or UK. So we have to congratulate, and we have to not, we don't criticize anyone, we have to improve everyone, we have to help of every person. It is the way of learning, and we have to enjoy our journey. That's the very easy, and we have to take very easy of learning English, and we have to enjoy it. So that's all from my side.
Okay. Ayan, are you there? Hello, Ayan, can you listen us?
Yes,
Yeah.
I am able to listen you.
Yeah,
My
bro.
voice is my voice is clear.
No, bro, your voice, you are not audible.
I'm not audible.
Little bit, we can just normally listen you.
Now is it good?
Yeah, it is good than previous one. Okay, just speak. What do you wanna
But
say?
not visual. We can't see around.
Yeah, yeah. Ayan has a maybe he has put. It's okay. It's
Okay,
all right.
okay,
You can
okay.
speak. You can speak. Yeah, Ayan, you can speak now.
Just wait. I'm going to check my
Mm-hmm.
earphone. Just wait. Hello. Hello. Now is it good? Hello.
Yeah, no, audible. You are audible.
Okay. What is today's topic?
It's a communication that you have to talk.
Today's topic is communication. Okay.
Yeah.
If I say about communication, communication is a, you can say there is a lots of language to talk with anyone, and communication comes to convey our opinion, to convey our knowledge with anyone. If we use any kinds of language to convey our opinion, to convey our knowledge with anyone. If I say communication is also a part of learning language, because if you will not able to speak, if you will not able to communicate with anyone, that means you are not able to talk, that means you don't know any language. That's, if I say, if we learn science, if we learn math, there is also comes a communication. If we learn any subject, there we need a learner, there we need a put a communication to get knowledge, to share our point of view with teacher, with the student. That's why communication is a major role to
Mhm.
get and share our point of view. That's enough for my side.
Okay. All right. Okay. Mukul, are you there? Okay, I think Mukul is also not there. Now let me speak. Okay. So when it comes about communication, Nabil has put all the points, I think. So that everyone knows about communication. It is a expressing of our the thought, the feeling, and the ideas that we want to convey to other people. So it is that way. So sometimes what we do, sometimes we just listen to other people, not to listen but to reply. This is a main kind of problem in a whenever actually I got a call again and again, that's why it got muted, but okay. So the thing that I was telling, if we want to make our communication better, because communication is not only about speaking, it is also about listening. you know because it is all about the thought and the sharing that you are doing between two people, maybe, or maybe between an audience. So if you have a good command that how to share your thought or how to listen someone, so this is a part of communication. Okay, because no matter in which language are you communicating with any people, but the most important thing, they can understand. Like, yeah, now we are just focusing on our improving English language, so we can talk about it, that we have to, whenever we have to express our thought, we have to express in an English language. We must be a good at that. I'm not talking about for now fluency. If you are not too much fluent, it is okay. It is absolutely okay, and it is perfectly all right. There is nothing wrong about it. But you must have something, so you can, like, if you are explaining about something, like, even it is a communication. So you must have a way, you must have a word or way of expression, so people can understand who is in front of you. Okay. So this is, I think this is the thing that we must firstly, whenever we start to communicate anyone, we have to keep in mind that a person who is in front of us, they can listen, and I can also listen to him properly. And there are lots of ways through which we can enhance our communication skill. The first and foremost way, obviously, we have to listen other people. If we want to make our communication better, and so people can get us, they can understand us. So what we need to do, we have to listen those people who have a good communication skill. And I don't need to tell that, I think everyone knows about it, which communication skill is good and whose communication skill is bad. Like, we can take an example of Sandeep Maheshwari. Okay, and we can take an example of Abhinav Bindra. There are many people sorry, Vivek Bindra. So there are many people who have a good communication skill. And currently I'm not talking about language, no matter in which language you are speaking, but the way they're expressing their thought, this is a part of communication. So this is the, I think, first thing, that if you want to improve your communication, you can go for that. You can have a look on that, yeah, how they are actually speaking. So you can develop in your own personality, in your own personality. So this will help, definitely. And the other thing, we can read a lot. So that is how our whole mentality, mindset, it grows, it empower ourselves that now we have to communicate if in front of someone. So we have data, we have facts, we have now knowledge, so we can express our thought in a better way. If we have more words, we have a more sentences, and the article that we, if we have read about that, sometimes it is also a need that about what we are talking, we must have a kind of data, data in our mind. So then only you can deliver the thing that you want to deliver. Because if you don't have a data in your mind, no matter how very good you are, like a person who is from agricultural field, and I'm talking to him, just tell me about AI, so maybe it is difficult for him if he hadn't learned about it, right? So it is also play a great role whenever you go for reading and all those parts. So you can listen to people, you can read, and the last, but not the least, according to me, we have to speak and we have to listen. Now we start our own communication, we can experiment it with many people, that if we are speaking, and at the last we can have a kind of review from their side, that hey bro, just tell me how is my actually communication, is it is good or bad, or it is average, or I have to, or would I have to make it more better, will I have to make it more better? So this is how I think we can improve faster and better. Because, and it is okay, if you are asking some people that, bro, just tell me about my communication skill, what I have to improve, because it will help you in it's okay for that person. But whenever you will in your job, maybe if you have your own business, our people have also covered this thing. If you are a business, you have to communicate with your employee, so at that time, if you don't have a good communication skill, you can't make a good relationship with them. So creating a good relationship, you must have a good communication in that term also, no matter you are employee, or no matter you are a boss or a entrepreneur. So in all the term, communication plays a great role. And it is okay sometimes if we are not a good at this, because ultimately the thing which is important, we have to work, we can work it on, we can work it on every single day, but we have to find out that in what extent we want to improve our communication, for what. Like if there is an entrepreneur, he need another kind of communication skill. If he is a student, if he is an employee, or if he is a worker, or he is a vendor. So all the people have different, and we can take a very good example of all the shopkeeper employees. They have a good, at least they have a good kind of skill that they can communicate easily to all those people who are at their shop, and that is why they are able to agree them, like, oh, you have to purchase this. So we can take an example how they telling to the people, and what the thing that is important, because it is not ours, the thought that we want to say. I think it is always about other people with whom we are talking. So it is not about us, it is all about those people, because it is all the importance. If we will talk about their need, all the things what they want, then they will understand. Not like if I'm a teacher and I- I'm going to teach any students or any class, if I'll be there and I just decided to putting my own thoughts, like I know this, I know that, this is a problem for you, this is not, and I'm not asking anything to all those children, all those, students. So maybe it is not a good kind of a communication. Firstly, I have to ask them, what their actual problem is. So this is how I think we can better our communication skill, and we can work it on. So this is enough from my side. There are lots of things to say, but it is enough from my side. So Mukul, you can say about it, how you learn and how you make better it, yeah, in a normal way.
Hello, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Actually, practice is very important, and I am practice daily. And but
yeah,
I have already told you I have a problem for vocabulary because I learned vocabulary, but speak time I forget. So it is very normal problem, I think.
yeah,
But I'm daily practice, and I think if you daily practice and all people daily practice, so not one day, but will be um, one day achieve goal, achieve your goal definitely if you
exactly.
practice daily. So practice is very
Exactly.
important, and listening is very most important, and read also. So I am reading daily, and listening very important. So I am daily listening video only native language and movies